Welcome back, you guys. So today we're doing another food video, and this is going to be the last one for a really long time. And yes, I got blood work done. So it's not exactly fitting for the shirt I'm wearing because this is 21 Day Fix, but we're doing a new place that I've never had. It's been in Georgetown or where I'm located for a while. I've just never had it. So we are doing Osmow. Now, I already took it out of the bag because my family was wondering what I got, so I took it out of the bag already. And this is, I'm gonna open it. That is what it looks like. And I got my trusty water. Upon first smell, it smells interesting. Let's see what it tastes like. You know what, let's do the cover first. So, there's tomato in here. There's supposed to be onions somewhere. But it looks like it's a lot of ground beef. I thought about getting over rice, but I ended up getting over fries. They did have one size larger than what I got. And it came with lots of napkins and a spoon. You could say spice level you wanted, so I did mild, although I should have done 0 because this is extra spicy. So, yeah, extra spicy, even though I said like mild. I would definitely not order it again. I'm not a huge fan of it. I would give this like a 2 or a 3 on my scale. First look, it looked horrible. And the spice is definitely not mild. It's not at all. So it was really cheap, so that's a good plus. So my next couple of videos, I want to do a Q&A. So definitely send me your questions on Instagram or email me. Both as christinalouisefitness or christinalouisefitness@gmail.com. For any video ideas you want me to do, recipes you want me to try that include my sister, doesn't have to. And then I also want to try out some new recipes, so I'm thinking I might do smoothies, poke bowls, that kind of thing. So, yeah, I'm definitely not finishing this. It's disgusting. I need something to recover from that, so we might be doing another video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my spiciness video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! One quick thing. So, while I'm editing this, I decided I needed to get rid of that spicy taste, so I made crab dinner. So, I'm eating crab dinner now to get rid of that taste. So, as I was saying, if there's anything you want me to try, any videos you want me to do, let me know on Instagram or email, or if my comments are on, you can put it down below. If not, I will see you guys later. Bye.